What is a restriction for undefined values in algebra rational expressions? Have you ever wondered why some values just don't work in certain math problems? Today, we are going to tackle the concept of restrictions for undefined values in algebra, specifically in rational expressions. This is a key topic that can really help you understand how to work with these types of equations. First off, let's clarify what a rational expression is. A rational expression is essentially a fraction where both the top part, known as the numerator, and the bottom part, called the denominator, are polynomials. Now, here comes the important part. A restriction for undefined values occurs when the denominator equals 0. Why is that? Because in mathematics, division by 0 is simply not allowed. So how do we find these restrictions? It's quite straightforward. You take the denominator and set it equal to 0. Then you solve for the variable. The solutions you get will be the values that make the rational expression undefined. For example, if your denominator factors into two parts like x minus 3, x plus 1, you would set each part equal to 0. This gives you equals 3 and x equals negative 1 as your restrictions. This means that at these values, the rational expression is undefined, and you cannot use them in your calculations. It's also important to note that the numerator does not affect these restrictions. Even if the numerator equals 0, the expression is still defined as long as the denominator is not 0. So remember, the restrictions come solely from the denominator. Understanding these restrictions is essential when you are working with rational expressions. It helps you identify the domain, which is the set of all permissible values for the variable. This knowledge is crucial when you are simplifying rational expressions, solving rational equations, or dealing with inequalities that involve rational expressions. By clearly identifying and excluding these restricted values, you can avoid undefined expressions and ensure that your work is mathematically sound. This understanding will not only help you in algebra but also in higher-level mathematics. So, keep practicing, and soon you will be able to identify these restrictions with ease.